Okay, in my last video, I talked about how to create a Facebook Business Manager in 2022. Yeah, we talked about how to log into your Facebook, how to create a business manager, which is business.facebook.com, how to how to create your business manager, put your details and everything. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to set up that Facebook Business Manager account that you created in our last video. We are going to talk about how to set it up. So, welcome back, guys. My name is Adi Richard Philip, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime I create new video. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video to reach more people. So, let's get started. Okay, so this is the last account, last BM that we created. So this is the business manager that we created. We didn't set it up, we didn't do anything to it. So it's time to set it up now. Okay, the first thing we need to create is our add account. We click on the add button here. Click on add. Okay, you can see three options here. Add an account. Your business will control campaigns and billings for this add account. Claiming an add account, move it into business manager. You can actually add an account to this existing business manager account. The second one requires access to an add account. Then the third one is to create a new add account. What you are trying to do here is to create a new add account. So our add account name, you can just give it a name. So here the time zone, you are trying to make use of prepaid. Prepaid is making use of Naira card, which is the PayU card. So if you are making use of postpaid, you can actually use the currency, but we all know the dollar rate now. So you are trying to make use of normal PayU, which is the Naira card. Our time zone, you have to select Africa Lagos. Yeah, sometimes it might not show Africa Lagos, then you need to select Africa Lagos for the time zone. Our currency, we need to change it back to Nigerian Naira. See, this is it. You click on it and click on next. It's asking this add account will be used for number one, my business. The second one is another business or client. Are you trying to create the add account for a client, or you are trying to create the add account for your business? So I'm to select the first one, my business, because I'm trying to create the add account for myself so I can start running advert for this same business manager account. Okay, so we need to make sure this add account have full control over the business manager account. So we tick this, then tick the profile, then we assign the profile. So now we don't need to actually add payments information. We can actually add the payment information or leave it after finishing the running the advert. So let's exit. So this is our ad account now, and in one Facebook we actually have three ad accounts for the first time. Like you can have your personal account, which is the web.facebook I showed you, which is the web.facebook.com/ads manager. That's our personal account, the first account. I've been using it to run advert already. So that's our personal ad account. You see, this is one ad account here. The second one is business.facebook.com. This is what we are trying to do now. This is the second ad account. So if you want to create another ad account, you can just type business.facebook.com/create to create another account. So that is to create another account. This is another BN. So if you want to set up, you need to click on create an account, put your business name, maybe Richie Store. Doesn't matter, just put Richie Store, then your email to submit. So then after everything, I'm just trying to show you that you can actually create a ad account. Then after spending to some extent, you can have as many ad accounts as you like. So let's continue with what we are trying to do here. So these are our ad accounts here. You can actually add people, assign partners, add assets to this ad account. Under users, we have people, partners, system users. If you click on people, you can actually add people to this ad account. You can see Anoluwa Tolani have access to this ad account. You can add people to it, so they can also have access to this ad account. Partners, system users. So for the ad account, for the pages, if you don't have any page, you can actually create a new page. You see, add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. Sometimes I do create a page on my personal profile, on my profile main Facebook account, then connect it to any other account anytime I want to run adverts. Because of these days they are restricting pages up and down, so I don't need to. But you can actually create a page here. You can actually create a page here to run your advert. Give your page a name. Don't give it any name. Let's use Rextor. You have your brand name. So category, let me just select advertising. You ask for your zip code, but instead of creating inside your BM, you can actually create the page directly from your profile. So you have created the page now. Don't forget, create your ad account first. If you have a page, then you can start running the advert instantly, or create a page by yourself. So is the network. The page has been created. You will refresh. Okay, you can see this is our page. Greystore connected to the ad account already. So this is the ad account we created. This is our ad account. My ad account 1. So if you want to connect your Instagram to this ad account, if you want to connect Instagram account to this BM, you click on this Instagram account, then you add. Connect your Instagram. It will ask for your Instagram details to log into your IG. So you log into your IG to connect. I have a video on how to connect your Instagram and WhatsApp to your profile Facebook page. If you check my video. So for your WhatsApp also, you can just click on the WhatsApp account to link up, add WhatsApp account, put your number here, change your country to Nigeria, put your phone number, then you connect. For the data source here is for creating pixels if you are running conversion adverts, or to track all the events you are trying to do. So to set up your pixels, I will show you a video on how to create your pixels. Then custom conversion, for creating custom conversion and others. For the brand safety, this is to verify your domain. Because of iOS 14 updates now, sometimes you need to verify your domain before running your conversion advert, or it's not really necessary. Verify your domain. Payment method, if you are making it of postpaid, even prepaid, sometimes you can just click here to add card. So you can be funding directly, you see, to add card. I think that's all under this BM setup. So to now move to where you're going to create adverts, you click on this menu button, which is the all tools. Click here, then select ads manager. We have many tools there under the option button. You see add account settings, add account settings, billing, account quality. If you then disable your account, this is where you are going to click here to check, to request a review. Let's click on ads manager now. We have created another account already, so we can start running the advert. You see, can now actually run advert now. So to run any advert with this BM, we are good to go. You want to run advert for your lead generation, conversion advert for your e-commerce, for then WhatsApp ads, awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, ads, promotion, and sales. We are going to talk about all these ads objective later. So after setting up the advert, if you want to publish, they will ask you to put in your payment details, the card. So you don't need to fund your account before publishing your advert. Instead of funding, you can just click on that cancel. When you reach that stage, just click on the cancel button, then it's going to refresh automatically by itself. Then you can now click on the publish to publish the advert. So after your advert is now active, then you can now start funding. Although these days we are having issues with funding with this pay you option, you are having issue with the funding method, but you can actually make use of OPay card, OPay virtual card, access bank, access card, and I'm actually making use of first bank. Sometimes GT and others they work, but because of what you're actually facing now, don't worry about that. Okay guys, I think by now you already know how to create a business manager, and you can actually set up your business manager so you can start running your advert by yourself. Don't forget the first step, create a business manager. Then after then you set it up by creating your ad account, having your page, or create a new page. Set up the billing settings, enter your billing to set up your payment, to add your payment option. Then if you want to set your pixels, custom conversion, and everything inside the BM, just go for what you want to do. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and have a wonderful day.